How to find network usage settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find network usage settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and after you click on it just click settings, and here you will find this one, storage and data. Click on it and then just click this one, network usage, and here you can manage it as you see, and just manage anything you want and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.